Welcome back guys. So is Neo heading towards a major retest? Towards the end of the video I'll have a scorecard where we will see how many factors are pushing towards a dump in price and how many are pushing towards a pump in price. Let's start with the daily chart. So last time I talked about that a new bear flag is forming and the price might drop again. That time we were around the $13 mark and look where we are today at 10.7. This was a bear flag also and we broke down from here, came back up to retest, failed, and again we formed another one. However, the good thing is we are seeing multiple closes outside this channel. Price was getting rejected from this channel since 2021. Look at this rejection here, again here also, over here, fourth time and fifth time here. So finally we have managed to close outside this, and I mentioned this last time also that whenever there is a breakout we would like to see a retest, and actually that is what is happening right now. In terms of major support areas that we can see is lying around the $9.5. We saw nice action around this number. Look at all of this support in this region, and then we saw this bounce again, retest, bounce again. Not only this, if I go back in time, this was resistance in 2019, then 2018 was resistance again 2020 is this area where we saw the start of the bull run. So yes, telling us $9.5 is one of the most critical support areas for the new stock. Talking about the RSI sitting at 42. So yes, further downside is possible. So yes, it will be good if we keep sliding like this and reach the $9 to $10 range and try to bounce from here. That would give us this double bottom also, and that would mean a successful retest of this long-term trend line that I showed you. Not only this, if I try to draw up a quick trend line, look at what is happening. Again telling us this range around the $9.5 $10 is very important. So yes, price can keep sliding here and then we reach this point and try to bounce from here. Let us know in the comments what do you think is going to happen. Are we heading towards the $9.5 $10 range, or is there a nice bounce coming back towards the $13 $14 mark? Also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now let's move over to the 4-hour chart. Look at this rejection here from the 100 moving average in purple. RSI also went into the overbought region, hence we saw this correction in price. But once again, look at this action developing here. So we are above this trend line, which is a good sign. The 4-hour RSI is sitting at 39.81, and if we look to the left, you can see that below 20 RSI is really the area from where we start seeing nice pumps. Even over here we saw the same thing again over here. So yes, that is something we would like to see on the Neo price. That would again mean probably that we will be around the $9.5 range again, giving us this double bottom, and then we can see a nice pump from here. Now it's time for the scorecard. So first point being that I mentioned we have broken outside this downward trend channel and we are trying to retest this, so this is a big positive. Second was if we draw up a trend line, again telling us that $9.5 $10 range is important, so a little bit of a downside. So yes, a pump from this range is possible. For the factors that are putting pressure on price, the factors that are putting pressure on the price, starting with the rejection from this 100 moving average in purple over here. RSI likes to go below 20 or around that number. Currently we are at 39, so yes, further downside is possible. We have seen historically a very nice support around the $9.5 area, so a further decline, a slow decline is quite possible towards this, giving us a double bottom, and then price might try to pump from here. So yes, please let us know what you think is going to happen with the Neo stock. Also, market is extremely volatile. If you're actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.